the Gupan by 1. It's quite gloomy right now. The weather's quite gloomy, but we're fine. We're fine. So right now we're riding a bus bound for the Gupan, in where we could drop off to Carmen. I'm gonna ride a van there going to Alcala. And gonna ride a transport, which is what we call the tricycle, going to inside the Lawak. Lawak is the birthplace of my dad, and most of my relatives here on my dad's side here. So we're heading here right now. So we arrived here in Alcala, Pangasinan at 3 o'clock this afternoon from Clark, Pampanga. It's actually quite late right now to record this video, and it's kind of late. I've been talking with my relatives here in Pangasinan. You know, when you guys don't see each other for a while, and then you suddenly came home, surprise. You're gonna talk to them and make some, you know, small chats or even long chats. So by tomorrow we're going to Bayambang and Manaoag to visit church, and in Bayambang we're going to Bamboo Statue, who is currently the world record holder right now for the tallest bamboo structure ever made in the world. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy that. So by the next morning we're riding another tricycle heading to the van terminal, taking some random shots while on the way. Okay, this is where we wait for the van to go to Ardeneta on our way to Manaoag. Around 20 minutes or less to going to Ardeneta, and then 15 minutes going to Manaoag. So here's the van. We're actually waiting for other passengers here. And we wait and 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 wait. But before we have to leave, I have to make sure I have to capture a 360 footage of the area first. We expected for a 20 to 30 minute trip, but we arrived late, about 10 minutes. So now we arrived here in the Manoag church. According to the history books, this was built in 1600 by the Augustinians who visited here in the Philippines. Its first name was the Chapel of Santa Monica. And by June 2011, it has been canonically affiliated with the Papa Basilica of Saint Mary Major in Rome. And it was officially declared a basilica on February 17, 2015, which is now named the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. Aside from taking pictures inside and outside the church, tourists also make their vows and pray to the Our Lady of Manaoag. They also have a mini shop at the back of the church, where you can buy their souvenirs of the Our Lady of Manaoag. With as much as cheaper as 50 pesos, you can buy anything here. That's a loud bang. Yeah, one of the loudest bangs ever. The bell. So we're now done visiting the church. We're now heading to get some grab. I don't know if we could make it going to Bayambang, but we'll try. Outside the church, you can also see some delicacies there, which is famous in Manaoag, and some other souvenir shops. Our lunch and we're about to go home in a few moments. We might not catch it to Bayambang since we don't have enough time, although it's already 1:15, but no, all folks getting tired sometimes. Rest for a while, and in a few moments we'll go back and back home. Another 360 footage outside the Manaoag church. So now we're heading back home. We're here, or Luneta.
Yeah.
For a van. Back home. It's quite hot right now. It's very hot. It's burning my tattoo. Freaking headache right now. It's very painful. Anyway, to sum up, we got back home at actually 3 o'clock here. It was a long trip. I fell asleep in the van on the way home. So tomorrow we have to be early to go to Pangasinan to visit the 100 Islands to go get a tour there. Hopefully I could swim with my tattoo on. This is Wind Creek fresh tattoo. More than a week fresh tattoo. I don't know, as advised by someone else, I couldn't go swim with this tattoo right now, but some advised me that I can. Okay, so gotta go to sleep. Have to be early tomorrow by 4. I gotta wake up. So bye guys. There's a catch up. I'm gonna be using all of these for vlogs tomorrow. The Gopro Max, my Max. Not gonna be using this and this phone, or I'm not gonna bring this. It was useless when I was in Manoag. Okay, I'm not gonna bring this. I'm so afraid I might drop this in the water, so forget about this first. I'm gonna bring this tomorrow, and yeah, good night again.